What's that I hear? What the heck is going on? There's Farmer Cottle with his new tractor. He's smiling, let's see. I don't think you can hear me just right now. He's having a great time on his brand new Honda tractor. And I noticed, just as I've been chatting with the guys from Ducks Unlimited, and Dad's already cut all the grass over there on the other side of the line. So I guess his machine is working okay, and he seems to be quite happy. Otto said he's available for an interview.
Hey.
What do you think about the new tractor?
Pretty good.
You're pretty happy?
Yeah.
It runs okay?
Yeah.
Is it cutting the grass? Have a look. Well, it seems to be cutting the grass okay. And is it easier than pushing the lawnmower?
Yeah.